Rub the wall, rub the wall. It might not. You pulled it out the root.
Ow, my foot!
Oh! I ran over my friend Carlos once. Cause he was like putting his leg like, he was like standing in front of my car like going like this, like stancing kinda, and my car drove up his leg. Do a tire.
Bro, this is partially new.
Stand on it.
I'm gonna try. But I want that pinkness in the background. Like get like a, don't zoom in on me or anything, you know? You look sick? How's that look?
Looks cool.
Wanna go up this shit?
Yeah.
Top right here, Lonzo.
Oh yeah, on the other side.
Do some stair runners. My breath. Where you see an open window? Oh, over here. It's not a broken window, like there's no glass or nothing. Just jump, reach up, put your arm and see what you grab. Like there's definitely like something you're gonna grab. There you go.
Use that to help you.
If you want, here. Here, I'll help you up if you want. Oh, here, just give me your hand. Brian, give me your hand.
Hang on, let me grab onto this.
Go a little farther, it's right here. There you go.
Oh shit.
Good?
Drop the light.
We'll come back for it. It's like a row of rooms.
What the fuck?
Where?
Hello?
Hello? What the fuck? For real, I'd be down to throw a banger in here. Look at this. Little record player.
This really thinks it works. Freaky fresh.
Sunset up here would have been sick.
This is definitely a cool ass spot.
This is cool.
It's a new spot.
This is a new spot.
This is a bitch.
What'd you say?
Oh yeah, look, ball on. 42 or something, look. Ball on the 69 yard line. Ain't no 69.
You should. Here, that's for you guys. Lonzo, you might have been right.
Dude, this is huge. What the fuck?
Every step I take down these stairs, I'm just shitting. Like, I'm just walking right through it. JROTC department? There's books and shit. Hey, these stairs go deeper over here. Typewriter? I might drop one of these on fucking Jake's head once. Oh, there's a drum set in here? There ain't no drum set in here, is there? Where you at? Cops are getting called on us. Will you wake someone up like, shut the fuck up? What?
Oh, this is a new. Hey, send a video to that guy.
This is like a computer. Just knock one down.
Man. Cause we're gonna come back and take this shit. No, I was kidding. Fuck. Don't spray it. No, because we're stuck in here. Unless we're gonna dip backwards. Let me see. Oh wait, no, it's not glass. It's like a pin. With Harris on there. Harris. This is some fucking post-apocalyptic shit. Look at there's a door out right here.
They got trophies in here.
Take one. This is for adventuring. You can take one home.
Look at this shit. Charles and
Dude, look at Barack Obama.
Look at all these VHS tapes.
Right here's the stairs. We just gotta be careful for the doors. We don't want to get locked in this place.
oh shit.
Might go out the back door. Open it.
Some low.
Use this stick below you to knock the spider webs out.
I ain't going first. I don't like spiders. It's too dark for them, but just take the spider webs out for me.
Hold on. I'm gonna open this door.
Who's having the baseball bat? Hold it open.
It's locked.
You go with that other shit.
We can just go out the window. Not by that
This
chick.
place is huge.
Real. This is not even the school. This is like a fucking just the stadium's bleachers.
I know.
This, yeah, we gotta go inside that school. Or we always come back to. It got dark out now.
Hold that shit.
Don't step on it yet. And when you step on it, step on the left side. Yeah, that side.
Perfect.
What's that light right there? Step on
You
that
want to
light.
step on the chair?
I don't know.
Take his camel. Don't close that.
No, it's open.
Oh, get out there. It's gonna close on you. Here, step down this if you want, but step on the outside. Don't step on the inside.
Here?
Nope. You want to step on the outside of the chair, towards the end of the bleachers. Oh, not that way. Whatever, go ahead.
Just putting pressure against the fucking.
Just jump off quick, because you're gonna... I don't want to kick out. You guys light too, or is the light behind you?
Huh?
I got the light.
They're both? Alright, cool. It's just locked off as fuck.
Uh-oh. Well, this is a big ass school.
Uh-oh, spaghetti-o.
Could you imagine going to this school, go to another building for class?
This is big. There's cameras. I just wonder if they're on or... A what? Like a live one? Oh, there is a live one. Yeah. So maybe this place is You been here before, you think?
I've never been here.
Fuck. Well, maybe that's as far as we could get. 2, 1, send it. Good job, Lonzo. Slingshot yourself. Let go of it. Let go of it. Let go, let go. That branch almost got me. What did you do? Just like put both hands on it?
Yeah.
Holy fuck.
Wait, listen.
Don't bounce it.
Dude, you're going high as fuck. I want to do that.
Dude, when you bounce back down, a branch like fucking flew right past my face.
Holy fuck.